Central Iowa, so we hope you can check them out as well.
Example for, how about Lefties? Tomorrow night there's going to be a great performance from Dub Witch, who's in the studio with us. Morning, how are you?
I'm awesome, thank you. How are you?
I'm making sure you're awake. You said you haven't been awake this early in how long?
Since I was in high school. Yeah, I get up at 11 normally.
Yeah, 11, crack of noon.
Good for you.
Yeah,
Good
somewhere
for
around
you.
there. Well,
Musician's time, yeah.
Thank you for being here. For people that aren't familiar with your work, why don't you tell everybody a little bit about yourself?
Well, it's a new project based out of Chicago, and it's electronic, uses elements of dubstep and witch house music, and yeah, I'm a solo artist, and I play with a lot of DJs, and I have a super light show. It's like a Pink Floyd show.
Really?
Yeah,
Ooh,
it's a huge light show.
Now that can get people there. But,
right.
Yeah.
So everything is done on your computer.
Yep. Yeah, I play machine. This is like my controller, and this is my laptop, and that's pretty much what I play with. Yeah.
Oh, this is going to be interesting. This is going to be very cool.
You're going to be in an incredible space and a great crowd tomorrow night. We want to make sure everyone gets out there. I think $6 in advance, $8 at the door. Come on, folks. Enjoy something
cheaper than the fair.
Yeah, come on out and enjoy Dub Witch at Lefties Live Music over in the Drake neighborhood.
All right, you ready to play, young lady?
I'm ready.
Well, take it away.
Okay.
Talking, you just let it flow.
let it go away, let it go away, all the way, let it go all the way, let it go all the way, let it go.
There you go, Dub Witch, ladies and gentlemen. Came in early to play for us, performing tomorrow over at Lefties. Go check that one out. 8 o'clock is showtime. And Stella, we want to follow you on Facebook or Twitter. Dub Witch, is that just look for that?
Official Dub Witch, yeah.
Official Dub Witch.
Yes.
Just to make sure we're doing that. That is so cool. Now, what are you going to be doing? You're playing tomorrow night, so you have any gigs tonight?
No, I have a podcast.
Tell us about the podcast, please.
Brian Campos, and doing a podcast that'll probably run in September. iTunes, it'll be on iTunes, and it'll be on his YouTube channel too. So that's pretty cool.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
But people really enjoy your music. And when did you start creating music like this before you took it on the road?
I had a band called Sister Soleil in the late 90s.
Right, okay,
right?
yeah,
And,
all right.
And so I did a lot of touring through Des Moines. And actually, my first fan base was in Des Moines, even though I lived in Chicago. There was a radio station out here called KKDM that played it to death, and
I remember those guys, yeah.
And I had a single called Red, and and so I had a really big fan base here, and then from there, radio picked it up in LA, and then Chicago finally picked it up. My hometown finally picked it up after Des Moines and LA.
All right, from Chicago,
yeah.
Cubs
Yeah.
or Sox?
Both.
Okay.
I'm all Chicago.
Good answer. Good answer.
I mean, Blackhawks.
There you go. How about them Hawks, huh? Yeah, and the Bears, of course. They won last night, so you had to be happy about the Bears winning last night in preseason.
The Bears.
Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
Well, it's great to have you back in our community with a great sound that people can enjoy tomorrow
Thank
night.
you so much.
Great. Can you play us in a commercial break? Are you cool to do that?
Yeah, let's do an up-tempo.
All right. Thank you so much for being
Okay,
here.
thank you. See you tomorrow at Lefties.